Hi friends and viewers, I am Chef Tanzil. I make recipes from all parts of the world. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and don't forget to like. Thanks once again. 𝐂𝐄𝐅 coleslaw. This is one of my nostalgic creation. It is made with coleslaw salad and mayonnaise. So let's start with some nostalgic creation with Chef Tanzil. इसके लिए हमें चाहिए cabbage, spring onion, tricolor bell peppers and carrot. And the rest of the ingredients we need salt, crushed pepper, mustard powder, paste or Dijon or Coleslaw, sugar, raisins, milk, mayonnaise and some lemon juice. And we need some sandwich bread and mayonnaise. In a bowl, add shredded cabbage. Authentically, coleslaw is only cabbage, carrot and mayo and salt, pepper rest. But I'll pep it up with enhancing some more vegetables like bell peppers. Now you can add bell peppers, add julienne carrots, add chopped spring onions, add raisins, add mustard powder, black pepper powder, salt, sugar, add lemon juice, add mayonnaise and we have to add milk. थोड़ा दूध डालेंगे तो मेयोनीज का कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ा स्मूथ हो जाएगा, थोड़ा लूज हो जाएगा. नहीं तो मेयोनीज हमेशा वो डालेंगे ना मिक्सिंग करने के लिए थोड़ा अनईजी रहता है. तो जब हम दूध डालेंगे थोड़ा वो मेयोनीज थोड़ा थिन हो जाएगा. Now your coleslaw is ready. Now when the coleslaw is ready, just refrigerate in a fridge and then you take a bread and put the coleslaw nicely. If you want, you can apply mayonnaise on each slice of the bread. After you apply the mayonnaise, add the coleslaw and cut all the four sides of the bread. Nicely, you should cut all the four sides of the bread. Your coleslaw sandwich is ready. Now cut the sides and with the help of a cookie cutter, cut the bread. It should be nice round. Now take a panko crumb it and then make a slurry of refined flour, maida and corn flour mixed together. If you want, you can add corn flour. It's optional. Just do it with add of little water. First you crumb it with panko breadcrumbs and then again slurry and then again panko try to use panko because that crumb is really white. If you use the brown breadcrumb when you fry, अगर आप बाद में फ्राई करोगे तो फ्राई करने के बाद उसका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है पूरा ब्राउन होकर ब्लैक हो जाता है. तो ये panko, it's a white crumb, it will come definitely very nice. So एक पैन में तेल ले लीजिए. जब तेल अच्छे से गर्म हो जाए तो धीरे धीरे जो हमने क्रम्बिंग किए थे नॉस्टैल्जिया कोल्सलॉ उसको हम फ्राई करेंगे. तेल मीडियम हीट तक होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो फिर जस्ट यू कैन टर्न इट, सी हाउ नाइस इट हैज कम. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. स्लोली टर्न द अदर साइड. Now it is done. So once again, let's start plating with me, Chef Tanzil. So be watching my videos on my channel, Cooking with Chef Tanzil. So there are lots and lots videos coming. So please viewers, do like, share and comment on my channel. Thanks once again.